Passive-aggressive anger can be best described as concealed aggression. You feel angry about something, especially when you believe that someone is trying to control you, and instead of communicating assertively about what you're feeling, you find ways to express your negative feelings without taking the risk of being unsafe by expressing anger directly, because anger may have been a taboo feeling for you. With this kind of anger, you find yourself not saying what you need to say in the moment you need to say it. Instead, you find yourself feeling resentful, and you hold your anger in until you find a way to express it. You act like everything is okay, and you deny your anger, but your upset sneaks out in underhanded ways. You make your partner late to an important meeting. You ignore text messages and phone calls. You refuse to talk about certain topics. You don't follow through with things that you've agreed on. You make little digs, pass them off as jokes. Or you pretend you don't know how to do things that you actually know how to do because it upsets people. You rarely say anything about what made you mad, and you indirectly express your negative feelings. You do this because you think it's not okay to talk about your anger directly or to ask for what you need. And maybe it feels really good to get back at someone for things that they have done that upset you. Passive-aggressive behavior can also make you feel really powerful because your indirect communication pushes other people's buttons, and that level of control of how other people respond can feel amazing. It's often the same feeling that children get when they figure out ways to make their parents lose control of their emotions. And it allows you, just for a second, to feel like you're not a victim. It gives you the opportunity to get back at someone without admitting that you're intentionally angry with or hurting them. The problem with this style of expressing anger is that it erodes the foundation of relationship. It confuses people, and it leads you to feeling more and more alone. This kind of anger is caused by having a childhood where your needs were not met, but where both asking for your needs directly and expressing disappointment were not allowed. So you learned not to ever look angry, but how to get back at people who hurt you. Every time you feel hurt or upset as an adult, you're likely to want to default to your passive-aggressive anger style. To fix it, you have to notice when you're getting back at someone instead of talking to them directly about what's bothering you. You've got to spend time noticing what your specific passive-aggressive behaviors are, when they show up, and what happens that makes you believe that it's time to use them. Since passive-aggressive behavior ultimately leads you to giving your power away because you aren't stating your needs directly, I'm going to drop a video next week that gives you 7 signs that you're giving your power away. It'll help you see where you have room for growth for getting your needs met. In the meantime, here's your homework. I'm Tamara Ridge, the therapist that's been there, helping you heal the passive-aggressive anger that comes from childhood trauma.